What's up, people of the Philippines, and welcome to my vlog. Di ako nakapag-upload for the longest time, no? Since I started vlogging. Naka 11 or 12 uploads na ako, but recently hindi ako makapag-vlog dahil busy sa work. Well, for today's video, kwento ko lang kung ano nangyari in the past weeks. 2 Saturdays ago, nanood kami ng premiere ng movie ni Catherine Bernardo at saka ni Alden Richards.
Okay, good morning friends. Dito ako ngayon sa Trinoma. Kasama ko yung wife ko. Manonood kami ng premiere, I think, or basta may sponsored event ng Century Pacific ng Hello Love Again ni Catherine Bernardo at ni Alden Richards. So, ayun, kasama na ng wife ko yung friends na, and in a few minutes darating ata si Catherine. Umorder lang ako ng coffee here sa may malapit na coffee shop. And then later balik na ako doon to
Good morning! Good morning, ma'am! Good morning! Thank you, Sir Carlo. Bagay kayo ni Alden!
Pinasalamatan lang yung mga nanonood, basically, and then she left. So, after the movie, kain muna kami and explore Cubao dahil at around hapon, hinintay namin yung mag-open yung gates kasi nanood kami ng concert ng BINI. Ito yung Grand BINI Burst concert nila sa Araneta Coliseum. And we were fortunate enough to get tickets kasi mahirap daw kumuha ng tickets at sold out na siya. But nakakuha kami ng magandang seats. Sobrang lapit lang niya. To be honest, I love concerts. Marami na ako napanood na concerts. Eraserheads ang pinaka, I would say. U2 sa Singapore. Guns N' Roses sa Singapore. Even nung bata pa ako, mahilig din kami sa mga live event. Nag-work ako sa Itbulaga also. Nag-mascom ako because I really like yung atmosphere. I really like the work ng nasa production. That's one of the reasons siguro kung ba't ako nag-mascom because I like the process. Internship ko dun sa The Buzz. Na-enjoy ko yun. Sobrang happy ako na nag-internship ko sa Buzz. Akala ko dati corny kasi showbiz, The Buzz. Ang gusto ko nun kasi dati correspondence. Nung weekend na yon, balik lang, going back to the topic. Gusto ko yung part na ang tema ng mga pinanood namin is about dreaming. BINI, for example, magandang stories na they dream. Nakita ko sila sa ABS na nag-work pa ako sa ABS. Iba pa yung itsura nila, parang mga bata pa. Hindi pa, parang wala pang name na BINI ata nun eh. Sa naalala ko lang, minention lang sa akin ng isang friend ko na, hindi, sila yung mga nakikita daw namin sa canteen before. Pero wala pa silang name, hindi pa sikat. Binubuo pa lang sila, nag-audition pa. So imagine, these girls nagpakahirap para ma-achieve yung dream nila. And right now, andun na sila. Kahit ang dami nilang pinagdaanan, series of eliminations, madami sila before. Ngayon, natira sila sa 8 and they're doing great. Yung Hello Love Again, it's also about dreams. Siyempre, the usual, ganun yung character ni Catherine Bernardo, si Joy Marie, nangarap siya from Hong Kong, nagpunta ng Canada. It's really striving to become a better person and become a successful person. And then yung character naman ni Alden, same thing din. Umabot na siya sa Rurok, naging successful na siya, but all of a sudden, something happened. Hindi ko nakikwento kasi spoiler yon. And he dreamed of becoming a better person as well. After that, nung mga Sunday nun, the following day, nilay-nilay ako na parang, kasi stressed ako sa work nun. So, I asked myself, parang, am I doing good as a person? Am I giving myself, my life, and my family a chance of living their dreams. Kasi for me, gusto ko talaga gusto ko media production. Gusto ko maging content creator. People may or may not like my content na ginagawa, but I'm doing this for myself to document my life and hopefully become an inspiration to others. Kasi I will continuously evolve this craft. I will continuously improve how I deliver my stories, how I deliver my videos, my editing and all, para I can provide my viewers better content that they can consume. So the bigger goal for this vlogging really is to create a channel where people can enjoy, people can distress, people can appreciate life more, and to inspire to do good. Diba? That's one of the reason why naman kaya ako nagba-vlog eh. And that's the reason why I'm doing cat feeding. Speaking of cat feeding, take a look at this video. May napakain akong cat sa Araneta Center while waiting for the Bini concert. Ito siya.
Sige, before we go to the concert, andito ako ngayon sa ilalim sa parking ng Gateway Mall. And before the concert, katatapos na ng movie watching namin, for the concert, cat feeding muna. I have 4 Shiba cat food niyan, wet food. And may nakita kong cats banda doon. So marami-raming cats and let's try to feed them. Medyo payat and skinny na yung mga cats. And I think there are sobrang daming cats here. And then let's try to feed them. Yeah, Christmas vibe, and we're feeding the cats. So there's 1 cat, 2nd cat, 3rd cat. Okay. Cat feeding sober. Happy to serve 5 cats today. Ayun. We're happy. Okay, Merry Christmas guys. Merry Christmas sa kanila. Ayun, okay. Tambay muna kami and we'll watch concert later.
If you want to support Project Stormy, send me a message and please subscribe to my channel din para don't feed them mga human food kasi it's kind of dangerous sa kanila. Look at pakita ko sa Storm. Nangungulit kasi sa Storm eh. Come on, little boy. Say hi to the vlog. Oh, here's vlog. So, yan si Storm. Lagi yang ganyan pagka Come on, little boy. Oh. Come on, say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Come on. Okay, that's it for now. Siguro, thank you very much for watching the video. And continue dreaming. And please support the channel. Thank you very much. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.